My loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all can see by today's title, we doing something I ain't never did before. We crocheting with t-shirt yarn and we crocheting with hardware. You see where we going with this? You see the vision? I was on Amazon and they kept recommending yarn to me. They must know what I do. So I was like, you know what? I need to crochet with every yarn I've never used before, and t-shirt yarn is first up. I was scrolling on Pinterest. I was looking for project inspo because I never crocheted with t-shirt yarn before, and I was like, you know what? Let's not just make a regular bag. I didn't did that before. Let's make a clutch. Make something real tea. Let's make something we really never did before. I'm excited. Are you excited? You should be excited. Let me show you all the yarn. It was real creepy because my package was flat and I thought it was something else I ordered. Boo, it was the yarn. They vacuum sealed the yarn. The yarn was flat, itty bitty. So this is the Muaski t-shirt yarn. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. I don't know how many yards it is. I'll have to look. This is the color. Y'all know I love like a rosy pink. It don't say the name of the color, but don't worry, I'm gonna have everything linked down below so you could get it too. It's like an olive green. I feel like these two colors mixed together would just be so cute. The yarn came with a 5mm hook. I heard t-shirt yarn is hard on the hands, so I'm a little scared. Also ordered these metal purse clutches. Never used these. I'm excited. They basically just open like this and you close them. Imagine a cute bag for like my whips or for my makeup. And then this would be like the perfect Christmas gift when Christmas roll around. Nobody know what they want for Christmas. Y'all get in the makeup bag. Y'all just don't know. I'm ready. I'm excited to crochet. Where's my hook? It's like every time you sit down and you ready to crochet, you can't find your hook. Hold on. Got my hook. I got a 10mm hook. Hopefully that does the job because we do have to double strand the yarn to give it like that high quality look. I actually found a tutorial because I knew if I made this freehanded, y'all was gonna jump on me. Y'all was gonna get me, and I don't want y'all to get me, so I found a tutorial. So we'll follow that tutorial. If I like this, trust and believe by the end of this video, more yarn will be on the way because they also have this bag by Loose Ends. I want to make those bags too. I always see so many cute t-shirt yarn projects, so I need to get on that wave. I'm gonna try to walk y'all through the process as best as I can. I don't know how much of this video is gonna be me talking or not, but this is a project vlog, so get your projects, get your snacks, and by the end of this video, let me know if you finished your project, and also let me know what you're working on because I want to know. I'm nosy. Let's see if we could turn this into a clutch bag. Come on. But one thing about it, once I watch a YouTube tutorial, I will embed it in my brain so that I don't have to keep watching it while I'm crocheting. This is what the yarn looks like. It's real stretchy. I'm a little nervous because I don't like nothing that's too hard on my hands because that's not good for the body. And I also know that you can make t-shirt yarn with old t-shirts. I don't have enough old t-shirts to be cutting up, but if I did, trust and believe, I would have did this like that. But I don't have time for that. I want the easy route right now. I at least need some of the process to be easy. The tutorial was pretty straightforward. What she did was she just chained the length of this. This is an 8-inch clutch, I think. What I'm gonna do is double strand my yarn. So like this. I love these two colors together. This brand came with like color sets, and it was so hard finding a brand that came with color sets. I was finna just order 2 separate colors, and I realized about ordering t-shirt yarn is they don't tell you how many yards come with the yarn, and it's real confusing because I know for a fact one skein of this yarn will not make a whole project. I know for a fact. I'm looking and I'm like, tell me how many yards it is, and everybody in the description, they gatekeeping that information. I just ordered 2 skeins of whatever yarn I could find with a colorway to stay on the safe side because y'all know I'm good for Yarn Chicken. Yarn Chicken love me. Yarn Chicken be on me real bad. So far, it's real smooth to crochet with. This is what my chain is looking like. Mind you, this is not sponsored, boo. I use my own coin for this. I guess you just crochet an amount of chains that reach like the length of this. Like this. I like how the yarn feels. Then we single crochet all the way down. I love how I'm explaining to y'all what I'm doing like I know what I'm doing. I love the feeling of trying something new. It's like the beginning process is real butterflies and rainbows, and you excited and you happy and energy is high because you never did it before. And then once you do it, like that feeling is kind of gone. What is that called? I'm trying to keep my tension a little loose. I'm not trying to have arthritis or carpal tunnel. Before we get any further, compression gloves immediately. I'm not about to play. I don't want to fool around and find out. Definitely recommend if you're gonna be double stranding and you already don't have the right hook boo, so like you really need these. One of my goals this year is to learn how to do all types of hardware with crocheting. The journals I crochet, I learned how to do hardware with that. I want to do more projects with stuff like this. I feel like this is real sleek. I was gonna make 2 of these. I was gonna order 4 skeins of t-shirt yarn and do 2 different color bags, but no, I want to do one with acrylic yarn as well, just to show the girls you can use acrylic yarn. What I have to do is crochet as many rows as I need to cover this. Comment down below if you ever worked with t-shirt yarn and what you've made. What are some other projects I should make with t-shirt yarn that y'all would want to see me make? And yarn brands gotta stop doing this. Like, what is that? I could have did that, but don't do that to my yarn. Do they be in the factory? Like,
you know what? They not gonna know. Let's just tie this together right quick.
Once it break off, I don't mind when I tie a little knot in my yarn because I did it. When I'm paying for some yarn, I don't want you to tie it for me, boo. Okay, so just a little update. So I'm 5 rows in. This is what it's giving. I am taking breaks in between crocheting because this yarn is working me. This is what it's looking like by the clasp. It should look like this. I think we're supposed to do like 9 rows, so I'm gonna keep going, and then after them 9 rows we might take a little break. I tell you, this yarn is so thick, girl, your hands is gonna be screaming. As far as like a yarn check, this is how much yarn we still have left. We have a decent amount left. I'm not gonna say too much about the yarn. Don't think about yarn chicken and we're not gonna bring her up. We do not speak of that girl. Any comments I have to say about the yarn, I like it. I would buy it again. Only thing I would change is I would get the 12mm hook. If I see myself making more of these, I definitely would just make the investment and get the new hook. I'm low-key downplaying my excitement because ever since I ordered all this stuff, I haven't shut it up about it. Like, I'm so eager to work on this. I'm gonna keep you updated and keep calling you and letting you know how it's going. Bestie, calling y'all back. So it's a few days later. Let me tell you what happened. We ended up running out of yarn. I had to order more yarn. I was eyeballing the project as I was going. I was like, this not gonna be enough yarn. This not gonna be enough yarn. I could feel it. You could feel when you're trying to run out of yarn. Like, I felt it. This is how far I got. I think I need to do like 2 more rows. So we dang near out of yarn, but it's okay because I ordered more. So I had to wait for that to come. So at this point, I'm just ready to finish crocheting the project. This was supposed to be like a 1-day project. I'm not too mad though, because this yarn, take breaks when you're working with t-shirt yarn. Don't push through and force your body to do things it don't need to do. I got 2 more of the same colors. Dye lot look the same, so luckily that's not an issue. I got another one of these hooks. Do y'all want to see me bedazzle a crochet hook? Because I got 2 of these and I don't really keep 5mm hooks. So like if I bedazzle them, y'all want them? 2 of the same colors again. It's still cute though. I definitely see myself working with t-shirt yarn more in the future as well. Just gotta make sure I order the right amount next time, because I would have been done with this project. Project has been working up so fast, and I just know I would have been done with it if I didn't run out of yarn. As far as today, I need to finish 2 more rows of single crochets. Then we have to wrap the little clutch part with the t-shirt yarn, and we're gonna crochet over it, and then we'll be done. You would think since I ordered more yarn I would possibly order the right hook size, but no, I didn't. I am trying to hold out on hope. Next time I do this project, I think I would freehand it on my own without watching a tutorial, because I feel like it could have been made in a different way. So I'm definitely gonna be making one with acrylic yarn as well. So far, me working with t-shirt yarn, I really like it. I feel like if I was working with one yarn at a time, it honestly wouldn't be that bad on your body, because this yarn is real, like, it's stretchy and it's not thick. Most likely why they gave you the 5mm hook, 5.5mm hook, because it's really not that thick. I just realized I have enough rows, so I'm done crocheting the bag actually. Sorry, I didn't know. That's crazy, because I literally used this much yarn. So we was literally almost done with the project and we gonna run out of yarn. So this is what it's looking like. It's just like a bag, and it is very sturdy. She's cute. She needs a little reinforcement, because you see she's like bent up and stuff on this side. I don't know. I definitely would make like a big basket out of this yarn or something. It's so sturdy. Like, this would be a good whip bin or something. Now we have to go ahead and wrap the clutch part with some yarn. I'll go ahead and do the blush pink because I feel like it's the cutest. So I just tied a little knot around the clutch part, and now I'm just gonna start wrapping it. I'm currently listening to music though, so I low-key don't feel like talking, I'm not gonna lie. I'm listening to Cranes in the Sky. Girl, did she ever figure out what helped? Like, she said everything that didn't help. What helped? Did she ever get to the bottom of that? Okay, bestie, so we finished the thing. Now we're about to go ahead and tie some yarn onto here so that way this doesn't move while we crochet it. Everybody just hold your breath right now. This is not a game right now. This is serious business. Okay, so I just took some scrap pieces of yarn and tied it so that we could see what it's giving. You know, when you single crochet around stuff, it cinch in kind of, so it's gonna be good. I'm about to go ahead and roll a little ball of pre-made yarn. Honestly, that was very therapeutic wrapping the yarn around it. I needed that. That was like a good little pause for crocheting to do that. I want to see how much yarn I have left, because then I'll see if I'll be able to make something else. I keep moving, y'all, sorry, but I'm about to finish listening to music. I feel like when I'm nervous crocheting something, I cannot talk. Like, I have to hold my breath, like holding my breath. Working on something new is always so humbling because you don't know the outcome. That's why I like to crochet the same things over and over and over, because I know the outcome. When I don't know the outcome, girl, I'm nervous boots. Okay, bestie, calling y'all back. We finished the project. Isn't she cute? The back, front, open. This is how much yarn I still have left. So if you do this project, definitely get 4 of these, just to be on the safe side. This is what it's looking like. I know for next time, a lot of things I would change and do again and X, Y, and Z, which is what comes with working on new projects. But I really like how it looks. I definitely see a lot of things I should have took in account, And next time I'm gonna get the right hook size. I'm gonna make sure I have enough yarn. This is just the up close. I feel like it's real chic. The hardware part wasn't as intimidating as I thought it was gonna be. Actually, the easiest part of this project was crocheting around the border. Like, that was probably the easiest thing. As you can see, I still haven't weaved this in. T-shirt yarn, I definitely will use t-shirt yarn again. I already know I want to make the loose ends crochet bags, so let me know which one I should do. For my first time crocheting with t-shirt yarn, do y'all feel like I did a good job? Tell me, don't lie, tell me the truth. I only have 2 minutes of film time, so I'm gonna talk until these 2 minutes run out. This Pinterest recreation project wasn't too bad. This video probably so short and chaotic and unorganized, but I'm sorry, bestie. But I definitely want to try out more different yarn textures. So y'all let me know, what's your favorite yarn texture other than acrylics to work with, like silk, bamboo yarns, other yarns that we wouldn't usually pick up on a daily basis. Let me know, because I'm willing to work with them. So the pattern will be in the description, and I will keep y'all posted on what I end up using this for. It's gonna possibly be a makeup bag, it might be a whip bag. I love her so much, and I don't really have nothing else to say. I'm running out of film time. I love you lots. Thank you for watching. And you know we go together what? Real bad. Kisses, kisses, kisses. See you when I see you.